Hey there, I am Nate Anglin, the CEO of Skylink. And if you're a material planner in the aviation industry, I bet you know the frustration of meticulously creating spare parts plans only to have them all fall short when reality strikes. Unexpected AOGs, spiraling cost. Sounds painfully familiar, doesn't it? Well, today, I'm going to share with you the surprising root cause behind these planning failures and how you can fix it. You see, it's not a lack of effort or expertise that usually trips planners up. Instead, it's often a failure to account for one critical factor: change. In our fast-paced industry, yesterday's assumptions can quickly crumble. Fleet upgrades or changes, shifting utilization, unexpected parts failures, any of these can shatter the most carefully crafted plans. I've seen it happen time and time again, like with a major airline client who recently changed their fleet. On paper, their spare parts inventory looked perfect, beautiful. But when critical components started to fail away ahead of projections, chaos broke loose. They were scrambling to find replacements and keep aircraft flying. A stark reminder of how quickly change can strike. But here's the good news. Once you know change is the enemy, you can build a battle plan around it. The key is to weave flexibility and responsiveness into every core of your spare parts planning. First, anticipate the future. Don't just reflect on the past. Study fleet plans, track product life cycles, monitor route shifts and fleet changes. Be a student of what's coming and build that foresight into your plans. Next, bake some breathing room into your systems. Pad critical parts with safety stock. Cultivate backup supplier relationships. Grease the skids for fast expediting when needed. Having the slack will save you when curveballs come. There's nothing worse than being AOG for a common bolt, O-ring, gasket, rivet, whatever it might be. It's the worst, and those things you can absolutely plan. And most importantly, stay nimble. The best plans aren't static. They evolve. Continuously monitor performance, rapidly adjust forecasts, and optimize relentlessly. By staying agile and open to change, your plans will stay firmly grounded in operational reality. So, if you're tired of seeing your hard work on spare parts planning being undermined by change, take heart. Recognize that change is the challenge and architect your approach around that reality. It may not be easy, but the payoff in smoother operations and peace of mind is huge. Are you ready to put these ideas to work and transform your spare parts performance and planning? The Skylink team is here to help. Reach out to us today for a no-obligation discovery session. We would love the opportunity to serve you and to help you better predict your material needs. So let's explore how we can help you conquer change and take control of your operations destiny. Thanks for watching and happy material planning.